How to live a happy life. Number 1. Think positive. There is no doubt that being positive can make you happy in life. Studies have shown that people who maintain a positive outlook are more likely to be content with their lives and have fewer stressors. Additionally, being positive can boost your self-confidence and help you to cope with difficult situations. Number 2. Practice gratitude. You can boost your mood and spread happiness simply by acknowledging one thing you're grateful for. Focus on pleasant things in your life, such as your loving family member, promotion in job, or maybe the warmth of the sun on your skin. Becoming aware of all the positive things around you will give your own happiness a boost. Number 3. Meet people and grow your network. Humans are social beings and socialization impacts happiness. Meet with positive people, make friends, and have meaningful relationships. Participate in a local volunteer group and connect with like-minded people to share your feelings and calm your mind. Number 4. Get into nature. Nature is beautiful and full of life. By spending time in nature, you can increase your mental health and improve your mood and emotional well-being. Take time to get outside to reduce stress and enjoy the nature and fresh air. Number 5. Spend less time on technology. Disconnect yourself from social media and technology. And spend time on your hobbies and activities you enjoy doing. Don't post everything on social media, don't check your phone after every 15 minutes. Unplug yourself from technology to relax and solve problems in more proactive manner. Number 6. Read a book. Reading reduces stress levels, and people who read are more satisfied than non-readers. Reading helps to boost emotional well-being, you feel positive and you can also express your feelings of depression. Reading stimulates your brain, enhances knowledge, improves memory, and is a free source of entertainment. Number 7. Keep a journal. A journal helps you to understand your needs, organize your thoughts, and analyze your feelings. Journal helps you to identify who you are and what you need. Journal is a pressure-releasing valve that makes you feel better and happier just by writing down what's going inside you. Number 8. Exercise. Exercise makes us active and has such a profound effect on our happiness. Exercise is an effective strategy to deal with depression. Exercise increases your brain power, improves your body image and physical appearance, and makes you feel happier. Number 9. Sleep more. Sleep, recover and repair your body from daily hectic routine. Sleep increases your focus, and you become more productive throughout the day. On the other hand, sleep deprivation affects your health, productivity, and mood in a negative way. So get enough sleep to be less sensitive to negative emotions and to live a happier life. Number 10. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Comparison can be dangerous, especially when it comes to self-esteem. It can lead to feelings of inadequacy and make it difficult to feel good about ourselves. Stop comparing with others to find inner peace and happiness. Be mindful and focus on the things that are important to you. Number 11. Meditation. Meditation is important for attention and concentration. It is a process of training your mind to focusing and redirecting your thoughts. Specific feelings or thoughts agonize us for a long period of time. Meditation helps to fight addiction, and people develop healthy habits with meditation, such as self-discipline, tolerance, and healthy sleep patterns.